Today we are going to solve how to find P by Q is equal to R by S from Wheatstone-Bridge. Okay, it is a Wheatstone-Bridge equation. So P by Q is equal to R by S. This one is going to be called as the resistance. All the units is going to be ohms. So the unit of this will be ohms. It's very simple. So the balancing circuit, the current will be flowing at the center, Ig current. The galvanometer current will be 0 when the circuit is getting balanced. Okay, circuit is getting balanced is going to be happen P by Q is equal to R by S. When this become equal, that time the circuit is going to be balanced. Okay, so now we are going to derive this equation when the current galvanometer current is going to be 0. Okay, it's very simple equation. It's for class 12, very important equation also. Okay, so I am using Kirchhoff law. First I am using Kirchhoff first law. Okay, so from the battery I current is coming. Okay, so at this junction I1 current is flowing at this side, I2 current will be flowing at this side. So Kirchhoff first law, the algebraic sum of total current is going to be the resultant current. Okay, so algebraic sum of all the current at a particular junction will be 0. Okay, so coming towards we can take it positive, going out we can take it as a negative. So coming towards is I, so plus I. Going out is the I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. Minus I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. Algebraic sum of all current at particular junction. This junction will be 0. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, when you are bringing this as a left side, it's going to become as a plus. So I got I1 plus I2 is equal to I. Now, so we are going to, we will come to know the current going in a galvanometer will be 0. Okay, so I1 current, then here I2 current, then it's going to become as a total I1 plus I2 is equal to I. Okay, at this junction A, B, C, D. I current is coming from here. At this junction I1 and I2 is getting splitted. Ig current we are going to assume it is a 0. Then again this place the I1 current is flowing. At this junction both coming together. Then finally it comes to the negative. Now I am applying Kirchhoff's second law. Kirchhoff's second law, it's going to say algebraic sum of all the voltage will be 0. Okay, so I am taken second law is the loop law. A B D A B D A B D A. This is the loop I am taken, loop 1. Okay, so we will take it this as a loop 1. AB I1 current, P resistance. So I1 current, P resistance, and also AB direction, current direction will be same, take it as a positive. Then Ig current, G resistance, G also resistance I am taken. So plus Ig current, G, capital G is the resistance present in a galvanometer. Okay, so this side current also is this side, our loop also it's going B to D. Okay, so AB is for I1P, BD is for IGG. Okay, now DA, now D2A, the circuit is going this side, I2 current is coming opposite side. Now we should take it as a minus I2 times of it is the R resistance, R is equal to 0. I hope you understand. Okay, I'll repeat again. AB loop will be this direction, AB, BD, DA. This is the loop I am taken. AB is I1 P resistance, BD is IG G resistance, DA is the minus I2 R resistance. Only current direction will be opposite, loop direction will be this side, we have to take it as a negative. So now I1 times of P plus IG times of G is equal to I2 times of R. This I am taken as a equation 1. Now loop 2 I am taken, I am applying as a Kirchhoff's second law. Kirchhoff's second law, I applied loop 2 BCDB. BCDB. Loop 2 I am taken. Loop 2 I am taken. Okay, now BC is going to be I1 times of Q. I1 current, Q resistance. CD I am going this direction, current is coming opposite direction, I2 current is coming opposite direction, minus I2 times of S resistance, S will be the resistance here. Okay, D2B, it's also D2B this side, IG will be opposite side, minus IG, G is equal to 0. So this two I am bringing left side, I1 Q is equal to I2s minus is going to become plus I1 IgG. So this I am taken as a equation 2. So already I said when the resistance is balanced, if in case this ratio is getting balanced, we are getting same answer, means this is going to be balanced. That is the current time Ig will be 0. Ig will be 0 when the circuit is balanced. When Ig is 0, equation 1, already we know what is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. Ig is 0, I1p plus, I will do another page. So when Ig is 0, this term will be 0, I1p is equal to I2r. Okay. Equation 2, when Ig is 0, I1q is equal to I2s. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Equation 1 divided by 2. P by Q is equal to R by S. So this is a Wheatstone bridge equation. If example, it is 2 ohms, it is 4 ohms and it is 10 ohms, it is 20 ohms. So this ratio will be balancing. The galvanometer current will be 0. Okay, Ig will be 0. So P by Q is equal to R by S will be equal. Thank you for watching my video.